question is, Vama haza. Do you see that, brothers and sisters? Vama haza. What is the meaning of va? And. And. Va means and. Okay, you know that Arabic language, you can put it into 3 groups. So what is va? Is it a noun? Is it a verb? What is it? What I didn't say was particle. So it's a particle. Are you with me? It is ataf. We call it harfu ataf. So remember, but you do not have to memorize now. I'm only pointing out to you. Later on, I will be repeating it over and over, and inshallah, you will get into your memory. So va means and. In English, we call it conjunction, and in Arabic, we say harfu ataf. But as I said, you can write it down, but you don't have to really memorize it. Man is also ism. Man is also ism. Slowly, we will get into it. If I say something, and if you can write it, good enough. But don't, sit down to memorize it. It will come to us in the course of our class. Now we come to zalika. It's a pronoun. What kind of a pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun. And what do we call in Arabic? Ismu ishara. Okay. Now what is the difference between this and that? Both are pronouns, demonstrative pronouns. In Arabic, we'll say, Haza ismul ishara lil qarib, for something that is closer. And zalika ismul ishara lil ba'id, for far things. Haza qalamun, zalika babun. So when I have to point out something which is far, you just use zalika. Ready, brother? The question, ma is same. Ma zalika. What is the meaning, brother?
What is that?
What is that now? We are talking about that. Zalika najmun. That is a star. Haza masjidun, which is closer to us. Wazalika. What is the meaning of wazalika? And that is a house. Haza hisanun. This is a horse. Wazalika himarun. Are you with me, brother? Zalika himarun. Now we want to ask a question. So we are bringing Hamza in front. Azalika kalbun? La. Zalika kittun. That is a cat. Okay. Ma zalika? Zalika sarirun. Now we come to human being and we say, Man hadha wa man zalika. Who is this and who is that? What is the answer? Hadha mudarrisun wa zalika imamun. Imam, the one who leads us in the prayers. Okay, brother? Ma zalika? Zalika hajarun. Look at the vowel signs, brother, and try to, inshallah, understand and memorize it. Zalika hajarun. What is the meaning of hajarun? A big rock. Hadha sukkarun. Look at the shadda on kaf. Hadha sukkarun. Wadhalika labanun. This is sugar and that is milk. Now, brother, sukkarun. Okay, this is an Arabic word. In English we say sugar, but it has been derived from Arabic. Sugar is derived from sukkarun. Are you with me, brothers?